Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, StockMarketMentor.com, and it is Monday, and the oil patch is still working. Today I want to look at Weatherford. Now, this is one that we put on our active trade list back here, and the stock's working just fine. Now, you'll notice the stock popped way up here on the 5th, and that was on the announcement that the stock was being added to the mid-cap index. And so it kind of did a gap and crap, kind of like NVIDIA did back here, right? But then it quickly recovered. And then just like a week later, the following Monday, it actually moved back above that. So when a stock does this, when it jumps up there and pulls back and then ultimately recovers the entire box of selling here, that's a really bullish sign, because it reveals, like, not here, not here, not here, not here, but here. It reveals that this selling pressure, this supply that pushed the stock down, it's actually limited. In other words, all the supply, as buyers pushed up here, all the supply got eaten through, and there's still enough demand to push the stock higher. And so what this tells us is there are institutions that are still buying the stock after this big pop and drop. So I still like this stock. We've got our stop at 89.95. I want to leave it there just because you have to expect these little oscillations in a stock. But when the trend is like this, you don't want to be looking at this stock. You don't want to be looking at this chart and say, you know what, this is the top right there. I got to sell this thing right now. Don't do that, because you're going to wind up missing out on some pretty good gains. I would say track the 50-day moving average. That's a 10-week moving average. And as long as the stock stays above there, then I think you're still good to own this stock. All right. By the way, I just want to give you the heads up. Our crypto course, or our crypto product, I should say, with Scott McGregor is doing tremendous. Like, Scott's crushing it on the trade side. And so if you're interested in joining crypto, as you should be, at least for look-see for 30 days, trial for $7. I mean, how are you going to beat that? You're going to get all the info you want and then some from this handsome man, Scott McGregor, who's been with me a long time, and I'm telling you, the guy's awesome. So all you got to do is just get on this, here we go, get on this link here, get instant access, and boom, you're good to go. I'm telling you, for $7, it is a no-brainer trade. All right? That's it. See you next time.